Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve maximum stealth in fishing. Mastering stealth is crucial for catching wary fish, especially in clear waters. It involves understanding how fish sense their surroundings and making your presence as undetectable as possible. We will cover key techniques to make your presentation nearly invisible, significantly increasing your chances of a successful catch. Let's dive into the details. Choosing the right line and leader is paramount for stealth. Fluorocarbon line is excellent because its refractive index is very close to water, making it almost invisible. For instance, a 6-pound test fluorocarbon leader can be highly effective. Always match your leader's strength and length to the water conditions and the fish you are targeting. This small detail makes a huge difference. Your approach and presentation are just as vital as your gear. Cast your lure or bait gently, aiming for a soft entry into the water to avoid any loud splashes that could alarm fish. Keep a low profile on the bank or in your boat, minimizing any shadows you cast. Present your bait with natural, subtle movements, making it appear like an easy, unsuspecting meal. This careful execution pays off. Finally, always adapt to the prevailing conditions. Water clarity, light levels, and even the weather can impact fish behavior and your visibility. Fishing during low light periods, such as early morning or late evening, naturally enhances your stealth. Pay close attention to how fish react to your presentation and be ready to adjust your tactics. Flexibility is key to consistent success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.